Right, so you go to your browser and you put the EdPuzzle, EdPuzzle, yeah, click on that. Take you to that page. Now once you're in that page, you go to sign up, little blue button there, sign up. I'm a student, click on that. When you get to that, sign up with EdPuzzle, click on that blue one. And class code, I'll put there in your OneNote, and you copy that and paste that in. That is ZITROPH. Once your class code is in, you click. Now this is what you have to do for yourself. Now you have to keep this your information. So all you have to do is you use your first name, like this, and his last name is half it, and his username, all you have to do is put Douglas underscore half. Right? So it's your name underscore capital H, and that should do it. And how old is he? He is 12 years old. Right. Your first name underscore last name and your age. Then your password is whatever you create. So it doesn't matter what it is. So it could be, let's have a look at egg soup. Right? And join class. Right. So let's go through it again. Once you've got to this page, your first name, your last name, your username, you create that. Your username is something you make. Like this. Whatever name it is, it could be Johnny, another one, Robert that. It could be anything, whatever your name is. Your name, underscore, last name, and your age to that. You put a password in. You create the password and make sure that you have a number as well. So you could, I would suggest you use the same password that you use for school. So mine is egg soup 23. Okay. Check that. Right, that's the one I use for school. Bang, I join the class. Now, when you get there, you'll see that there's some assignments due, and this one is the courses, and that'll be ready for you. So you can click on the courses to watch the video and answer